He'll drive a funky car. Maybe we'll meet at a club and fall so deeply in love. He'll tell me on the
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Ashimary hair. Now this is everything that came in my packaging. They do send over a lot of additional accessories along with your wig, and you even get this really cute robe, so love that. But let's get into the actual hair. So I have a 26-inch wig. It does come pre-curled, and this wig, you guys, had a really like perfume type of smell to it. Even the wig now still has that scent on there, so I don't know what that was. It doesn't smell bad or anything, but the perfume like smell is really strong. It smells good, but it was just a little bit different. So anyways, this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it's a really fun color, so I couldn't wait to try it. This is what the wig looks like on my head without me doing anything. And now here I am to show you guys how I installed it. Now I had actually already installed this unit on camera, and I don't know what happened to all of that footage, but it's gone. So I had to re-record this for you guys, but that is all right because I actually really enjoyed this wig. Now the first time I installed it, I just wore the natural curl, not the natural, but I just wore the curls that came in the unit already, and it was super cute. But now that I'm restyling it, I'm going to add some layers and curls myself. So I just did a very basic blueless install with the Ebin spray. So that's just what I'm doing right now. Nothing too crazy. And this wig, the thing that I forgot to tell you all, but I noticed this wig didn't have any combs. Now, I know some people don't really care for combs, but I do love a comb in the very back of the wig. Just it makes me feel a little bit more secure in the back. So it didn't have that. It does come with a strap. I didn't wear the strap just so the wig could lay flatter, but I did adjust the straps in the back to make it the tightest that it can go. And since it didn't have that clip in the back, and it worked out just fine. So now I'm just using my mousse to kind of help me lay the wig down, and then I'm going to be hot combing for my life and just styling. So like I said, I did add some layers to the front, just some face framing layers to make it a little more, you know, give it a little more something. But the wig is pre-plucked as well. Of course, you don't need to bleach it because the hair is blonde. So I would say that this one is beginner friendly, and I'm not the best at installing wigs, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. So if you're not the best either, I think you could definitely work with this one. The lace was actually really good as well, very stretchy. That played a major part with me being able to install this unit since I do have a lower hairline. Wigs that are stretchier always work out better for me because I can stretch them into like place with my hairline. So definitely check them out, guys. The links are in the description box below. I absolutely love this wig. Like I said, this was my second time installing it, and the hair still looks really good. Loved it. Loved the color. Something different for sure. So I hope you guys like it as well. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
this time. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Maybe we'll meet at a club and fall so deeply in love. He'll tell me I'm the one, and we'll have so much fun. I'll be the girl of his dreams. Love it, yeah. crazy, cause easily I fall in love. You gotta do it different, Jay. This time, maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Maybe we'll meet at a club and fall so deeply in love. He'll tell me I'm the one, and we'll have so much fun. I'll be the girl of his dreams, baby. Alright, baby, gonna find out one day. I gotta get someone to call my lover. Yeah, baby, come on. Alright, baby, come pass my way. I gotta get someone to call my lover. Yeah, baby, come on. Well, then when I'm in love, giving them what they dream of, sometimes it's not a good thing, but I'm blind. I love hard with everything, giving my all more than they. I'll take my friends' advice this time, I'll do it differently.